Click, watch, and make money. Yes, that's right. 3 easy steps to make $3 again and again by simply watching videos or video ads online. If you are watching this video, chances are you watch a lot of videos every single day, but you are losing money. Why? Because you could turn on your phone or your computer and simply go on to www and start watching videos to make up to $300 or more per day without any skill or experience. This is a 100% free method, no credit card or investment needed. And yes, it works worldwide. So don't worry if you are outside of the United States. Now, in order to help you maximize your earnings, I'll give you 3 websites and apps so that you can earn multiple streams of income at the same time. Make sure you watch this video without skipping ahead. Learn all 3 websites, follow my instruction, see my examples, and you can finally make some decent income online that could potentially change you and your family's life. I'm super excited to share this opportunity with you. See here, I'm about to show you this first website where you can simply watch videos or video advertisement and you can make money in just a few minutes. Absolutely no skill or experience needed. Click play, watch video, and bam, you make money. But make sure you stick with me until the end because I'll be showing you a total of 3 websites with a lot of real life example. You have to follow all the steps I show you in this video. Watch exactly how I do it before you go on and try it out yourself to avoid any mistake. With that being said, take a look at this. You can earn real money online from your favorite brand. It's actually super simple. Step number 1, you have to just watch video, watch and view advertisement. And they'll show you how much time you have actually spent on watching those videos. And depending on how long you watch, they'll reward you and pay you on a daily basis. Now, if you take the time to answer some very simple questions after watching those video ads, you'll earn extra bonus money as well, which is good. Now don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do this and how to take the short survey so that you can earn minimum of 50 cents up to $3 each for watching those videos. Here's a bonus tip that I would like to share with you. As you can see here, they're going to pay you an additional $1 for every friend that you refer. That's another bonus stream of income offered by this website. Also, you can download offers from the brand that you love. Once again, make sure you watch all the way until the end to learn everything in much more detail. For this website, once you earn over $10, you can begin cashing out your money. And the best part about this is that you can receive real cash and real money in just 24 hours. This website has been paid out for more than $632,000 in cash and rewards in their first 12 months. They are still pretty new website, never seen other people talking about this. As you can see here, it's very easy to get paid to watch video ads and complete online surveys. They offer you 4 different ways to get paid. You can choose whatever ways that you want. For example, you can receive your payment through PayPal. You can receive your money through bank transfer or gift card or donation. Now comment down below and let me know what is your preferred payment method in your country. From there, I want you to pay close attention and take a look at this. AdWallet is a free application. They are 100% free and available in the Apple App Store and also the Google Play Store. Anyways, you can simply download this app for free and get started immediately. All you need is just a mobile phone and email address in order to sign up for this opportunity. Now take a look at this. Another special tip for you is that you can use the promo code FAQ during sign up. Now you can earn an extra $1 for free by just signing up for a free account. Now if you appreciate all the bonus tips that I've been sharing with you so far, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Real quick, let me show you inside the Google Play Store. The logo looks like this and the name is AdWallet. Make sure you search and download the right app. Once again, the download is free and available worldwide. Now once you log in into your AdWallet account on your phone, they'll show you your balance, how much money you have actually earned on this app. They'll be showing you new videos and new advertisements that you can watch and make money online. For example, as you can see here, you have 3 new videos that are ready for you to view. You can just earn up to $3 for every single video that you watch. Once you've earned your money after viewing the ads, you can actually withdraw your money. Now moving on to the second website. For this, you can make money online by viewing ads and get paid every 10 seconds. As you can see here, you can get paid for every 10 seconds. It's extremely fast and easy. And all you have to do is just browse on different advertisers' website and you can cash out your money instantly within 24 hours and immediately receive your payout. Now the best thing about this website is that you can begin cashing out your money once you reach $2. It's actually a very low minimum threshold which you can easily achieve. As you can see here, you can earn simply by viewing the advertisement on this website. This is a very simple and easy method for any person to make money on this website. Again, $2 minimum payout. They offer you multiple currency support. Now this website, it pays you through many different payment methods. For example, Payza, Add Vcash, Go Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Neteller. So many different payment options available. Now these are some more examples of the ads that you can see. Now if I click on this advertisement, I'm gonna go on to this website and I just have to stay on this website for 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds and you can close out this website and they're gonna credit you with all the money. Now you can repeat the same thing again and again. Now for example, when you click on the next advertisement, you're gonna go on to the next website and make sure you stay there for another 30 seconds so that you can get paid. Now again, very important, make sure you do it correctly in order to get paid. Once again, just a quick reminder is that you don't have to actually do anything, right? You don't have to sign up on anything. You don't have to click on anything. Just browse and visit the website, stay there for 30 seconds and boom, you make money. Now if you're going to sign up for this website, make sure you go on to register and click on the register button and you're gonna go on to this page. Now when you come up to this page, you have to put in your email address and your username. You can put in your currency. What is the currency that you want to get paid? And then you have to choose on your payment method. As you can see here, they offer you multiple different payment methods. Put in your birth year and you have to select here, I declare I have read, understood and accepted the terms of service. Make sure you tick on this to yes. And sometimes they offer you even more chances to earn extra money. For example, once you complete all the registration steps, you can click on this button to register your free account. Now the third website that you can make money online by viewing ads is Successbox. You can get paid by doing online activities. For example, view advertisement and you can earn cash. Now I'll show you exactly how to sign up for a worldwide account if you're coming from outside of the United States. Let me show you all the people who are making money on this website. For example, you can see here $1.20, $2, $1, $3 and $2 over and over again. As you can see here, people are cashing out real money every single day on this website. Now once you've registered for your free account, you can start watching advertisements or perform different simple tasks. For example, doing surveys. And you can start making money and after that just withdraw and cash out your earnings. Once again, there are different ways for you to make money on this website. For example, viewing ads, doing surveys, participating in contests, redeem offers, listening to music, doing simple tasks and referring to people to earn extra money. There are a total of 7 different ways to make money on this website. But in this video, I want to focus on viewing ads because it's actually very simple. Everyone can do this without any experience with zero investment. Now, if you want to sign up for this website, just go and click on sign up. You're going to come onto this page where you have to put in your full name, password, your username, email address, and just click on the register button. Now, once you log in into your account, you're going to see there are different ways that you can make money online by viewing ads. For example, you can click on ads to make money. Now, there are so many different popular and famous companies, say for example ClicksWar, AdClickWar, Personality War, and extra PTC ads. There's so many different ways, many different websites all in one place that you can click on them to start making money. Now another very valuable tip that I want to share with you is that when you go onto this website and once you sign up, you're going to focus on AdGateWall because they pay you the most amount of money. And the second company that you should focus on is ClicksWar. Make sure you focus on ClicksWar and AdGateWall, both of these companies. Now I'm going to show you one example. Click on AdGateWall and you will land on to this page. We're going to start viewing the advertisement. For example, this is the first advertisement. You don't have to click on anything, right? Just ignore them and make sure you stay on the website for at least 30 seconds. And after that, you'll receive and get credited with all the money inside your account. Now let me show you another example. When you click on this ClicksWall and then you're going to come over to this new page. We have to find different advertisements where you can click on them and start making money. Now for example, if I click on this ads, they're going to pop up a new browser as you can see here. Again, you don't have to click on anything, right? Just ignore them and make sure you stay on the website for at least 30 seconds so that you can credit the money inside your account. And finally, the very last bonus tip that I want to share with you for those of you guys if you're still watching. You can make extra money by simply referring other people to this this website. You can see here you can earn commission, for example 20%, 40%, or even up to 100% commission by simply referring other people to success bucks. And when they make money, you can make money as well. Quite a good passive income strategy in addition to just viewing ads and making money.
If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button in appreciation, but don't go anywhere. We've got another brilliant video over here right now that you can click onto and learn another awesome strategy that will make you as much as $500 a day. So if you haven't checked out that video, click onto that right now, guys. I'll see you on that video. Until next time, you guys take care of yourselves and goodbye.